guys, for today's video guys, dahil birthday ko nga guys. So, ngayon guys, pupunta kami ngayon ng bayan para bumili ng cake. Dahil yung kapatid ko nag-iwan ng pambili ng cake. So, ayun guys, tara, let's nandito na kami ngayon guys sa kalsada. Si Alco matakabingin pa rin. Bigyan ko rin. So, bibili na natin para sa birthday. Okay. Yung mga paninda nilang cake. Tinapay. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much kay Chinchin, naging kapatid. So, thank you so much sa inyong cake. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyong binigay na pampakit. Tapos, at bukod pa dyan, meron pa kami paggatas kay Argo. Thank you so much. Go! Thank you no kay tita. Tita Chinchin. Thank you so much. Happy trip. Yan lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Birthday, kuya.
Wow!
Wow, galing Ardo. Wow.
Teka lang.